Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear, we had NFP, and after NFP, we saw some good volatility on the market. First of all, DXY showed some good recovery, but there was some immediate price rejection from above, and ultimately DXY closed at 101.28. NFP numbers were good, so at first DXY was going up. It made a high of almost 101.80, but after that the price failed to sustain, and DXY is still trading inside the range only. You can see here dollar jumps as US job gains, which growth beat expectation. The dollar jumped on Friday after data showed that US employers added more jobs than expected in April, while wages also grew more than economists anticipated. Employers added 253,000 jobs above economists' forecast for a gain of 180,000 US hourly. Earnings rose to at an annual rate of 4.4% above expectations for a 4.2% increase. But sadly, the price failed to sustain, and right now DXY is still struggling. The overall picture of DXY has not changed. The market is still trading inside the range only. So 100.80 is still the critical support for DXY, and we have 102.30 at the top as the next immediate resistance for DXY. And as we all know it very well, that for the last couple of days and weeks, DXY is struggling, giving its best fight to maintain its level position above 100.80. Next week, during the first half of next week, I am expecting that market will stay inside this range only. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that if DXY breaks 100.80, things will be very critical, and it will be heading towards double-digit numbers. And as the chart is very weak, if it shows recovery also, then obviously the road will be very difficult. At first it will have to cross levels of 102, 102.30, then it will have some sort of recovery. So as of now, DXY is inside the range. That's it. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. As we have already discussed in our previous videos, that euro USD is showing an ascending triangle pattern. An ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Usually in ascending triangle pattern, we get to see a breakout. But the thing is that euro USD is following this structure for quite some time, and still we have not received the breakout we have been waiting for. If we go to the weekly chart, then we can see on the weekly chart euro USD has formed one spinning top, two dojis. So as a result, there is an indecision. My dear friend, on 4 hours time frame, we can easily see an ascending triangle pattern, but when we have switched to a higher time frame, we can see indecision in the market right now. And if I take you to the daily chart of euro USD, then you can see that no doubt the market is in uptrend, but if we just try to understand the market emotion, then we can see that market looks tired. Undoubtedly the market was in uptrend, but if we simply focus on this particular portion of the market, then we can see that market is tired. So in this type of scenario, there is a possibility that market may fail to break out, and there may be some downside also. So we cannot deny the fact that the ascending triangle pattern formation has been going on for a couple of weeks, but still market has failed to do so, and the result may be on the higher time frame, and which is market is tired. The buyers on the market doesn't have the strength right now to take the market up. So as a result, the wait has been so long for us. So what should be a trading strategy then? So my dear friends, if you're holding any position right now, whether it is buy, sell, doesn't matter, you can be on the trade, no need to exit from the market. But if you're looking for fresh position, then I'll say that you should avoid right now. And the reason is that if you take a buy here, then you can see that if you take a buy here, your stop loss will be here. and this is a huge stop loss. If you take a sell also, your stop loss will be somewhere around here. So your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor much, as the market is right now stuck in the middle. So as a result, this is not the ideal position to initiate any position. On Monday, wait for the market opening and wait for the market to move in a certain direction. So on Monday, if market starts going up, then observe the market around 1.1100 area. Previously, I told you guys that you should avoid any sell position at the resistance level because it's an ascending triangle pattern and it's a bullish pattern. Usually we get to see a breakout, but as we can see that on the higher time frame market is tired, so as a result there may be some price rejection around the resistance as well. So once market will hit 1.1100 level, observe the market. If you see the market is struggling like the previous times, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, you will get the confirmation that yes, market does not have the strength, sellers are still present at the resistance, and you can look for a sell position. So your observation will be very important. I'm in the Forex time frame. You can simply switch to the hourly time frame and also observe the same thing. But yes, confirmation will be extremely important. For additional confirmation, you can also look at the chart of DXY. Means if DXY is showing recovery, then you can it is better to take a sell on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, and on the other hand, after market opening, if you see Euro USD going down, then there is a chance that Euro USD will be testing the level of 1.0958 to 1.0945 this time. This is a support zone on the chart of Euro USD. There is a possibility that the Euro USD may be heading towards this level as well. Volatility of the market will play a big role. If the volatility of the market is not very high, if you see that selling pressure is not very extreme, then obviously you can expect the market to take support around this area. If market shows price rejection from below, forms a hammer or something like that, you will get the confirmation that market is taking support around this area, and you can go for a buy position as well. Okay, and in case market shows extreme volatility, market shows extreme selling, because during the weekend any news may come up and that may give a different shape to the market direction. So as a result, if market shows extreme selling on Monday or Tuesday, then your best support will be 1.0874. Around this level you can expect the market to take support, because this level will not work. Volatility of the market will decide whether the support will work or not. And the reason behind considering this as support is, you can see here market has taken support previously around this area, and the 200 moving average will also be around this area once market hits the level. And if we take the help of Fibonacci, then you can see that we also have Fibonacci 23.6% around this level. So if we combine all the factors, this seems to be a good support for the market if Euro USD comes for some support as well. And risk takers, you can also look for a sell position below the 200 moving average. Right now I cannot give you the exact number because it's a dynamic support. In case market shows extreme selling by next week and market breaks the 200 moving average, you can look for a sell as well. But at first, observe the volatility, then only you can come to a conclusion or decision. So this is my analysis, my dear friends. Hopefully you got my point. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money, because no trader is 100% accurate. So capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye-bye. Take care.